Plastic was created with the best intentions. Today, we travel with it, we celebrate with it, we play with it, we use it to get healthy and stay healthy. We take care of our families with it. We take care of our pets with it. Our lives are made by plastic. It's convenient, it saves time and money, it's easy to clean, waterproof, and sanitary. We can and do make everything from plastic because plastic can take any shape, size, and color. Its greatest strength is its durability, but that's also its greatest vice because plastic lasts and lasts and lasts. Since the start of plastic mass production in 1953, we've made 8 billion metric tons of plastic. How much is 8 billion metric tons? Give every person on the planet a pet elephant. Now, pound for pound, imagine all of those elephants are made out of plastic. Today, in the year 2020, we still have 6 billion of the 8 billion tons of plastic we've made. And plastic creation and consumption isn't slowing down. It's growing exponentially. We're surrounded by it. We're covered in it. We're even eating it. There are estimates that show the average American ingests a credit card worth of plastic every single week. How is that even possible? The answer is microplastics, the tiny, imperceptible pieces of plastic that are flooding our waterways, soil, food supply, and air. We willingly drink it because we don't even know it's there. When plastic breaks down, it doesn't disappear. It doesn't turn back into the fossil fuel it came from. It just becomes smaller pieces of plastic. So small we can't see them or feel them, but they're there. Animals eat small pieces of plastic because they mistake them for food. They literally choke on our plastic, causing species extinction and the collapse of whole ecosystems. It's a global problem that plays out on every local level. You want to see the extent of the problem? Just take a trip to any grocery store and look around. Easier yet, walk into your kitchen, walk into your bathroom. Our homes are filled with plastic. But in all this wreckage, there's hope. The extent of the plastic crisis also holds the opportunity for us to build back better. A biodegradable alternative to plastic from a renewable resource that's locally produced, on demand, for just-in-time manufacturing would be a game changer. Right in New York City, Beyond Plastic is growing a new molecule that will create a better-than-plastic material. It has all of plastic's virtues and none of its vices. It can shift the entire sad paradigm of plastic pollution almost instantly. The new material can be used by manufacturers with their existing machinery, current processes, and relatively flat costs, all while they reduce their environmental impact, attract more socially conscious consumers, and increase their brand value. We're starting with food packaging, but that's only the beginning. At Beyond Plastic, we're working to create a bright, clean, healthy, and sustainable world for all beings who call it home. This is the future beyond plastic. Join us and follow our progress at beyondplastic.nyc.